Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create Java pods. There's a couple of quests that I have to do which require Java pods in the recipe. One of them is Karen's Latte of Gratitude and the other one is When Christmas. For both of those quests you need to craft a drink which require Java pod. Here are the two recipes in case you're wondering what you have to make for those quests. And here you'll see I have to make a few Java pod in order to create the Grumpkin Spice Latte and the Candy Cane Eggnog Macchiato. I do have another video on how to create Java Bean, but in case you didn't see that, I'll show you right now. At Barney's Bazaar, buy the Java Bean seed. I'll buy 24 because that's how much I'll need to create enough Java pods to complete those two quests. If you go to a farm with a mill, you'll see that you have Java pod available to grind up. It takes about 3 minutes to create one Java pod, and you'll need 6 Java bean to refine into that pod. Now I'll go into my inventory and drag the Java bean seeds into the empty soil on this farm. Don't forget to water them after. Here, you'll see that it takes 5 hours for the Java bean to grow. I'll come back after that time to farm them. Now that the 5 hours is up, I'm going to go ahead and shear all of the Java bean. You can see all of the beans located on those green bushes. And now you can see the Java bean going into my inventory. Here, the description says it's delivering robust brews synonymous with Pixel's rich flavors. Grind Java beans at the windmill for crafting Java pods. So now I'm going to that windmill to create that Java pod. It will take about 3 minutes to make. The good news is that the mill isn't being used by another player and I was able to create the Java pod right away. If the mill is being used at any farm that you're at, just go to another one that's free. Now I'll collect my Java pod and you'll see that it goes right into my inventory. Since the mill is still free, I'll go ahead and create the others. The Java pod description says biodegradable, not made from plastic, used to craft coffees, espresso, and lattes. Stay until the end of the video because I have one more tip on how to get the Java pod very quickly. If you have enough reputation points, you could use a Pixel's marketplace. Here I'm clicking buy and I'm going to search Java pod. Here you'll see that there's Java pods available for around 570 to 580 coins. If you don't have the time or energy to create your own Java pods, go ahead and buy it here from the marketplace if you have enough reputation points and coins. The pricing will fluctuate over time depending on supply and demand. Here you'll see that it's worth 588 coins to 598 coins. If you thought this video was helpful, please smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you on the next one.